I'll show you how you can fix Helldivers 2 crashing. The easiest way you can fix it from crashing is to just update the graphics driver. I'm gonna show you how to do that. If you have an NVIDIA graphics driver, it's very easy. You just have to search up on the search bar here, and you just have to type in NVIDIA app. It should be right here, NVIDIA app. Just tap on this. Once you tap on NVIDIA app, it'll open up the NVIDIA app like this. It might need to install or it might need to update. No problem whatsoever. You should be able to update it pretty quickly. You can see it's already pretty finished. Now, what we're gonna do is that NVIDIA has two drivers. They have a game ready driver and they also have a studio driver. A studio driver is usually more suited for someone who does a lot of editing. Meanwhile, game drivers is pretty self-explanatory. It's for games, right? So you can see there's also installed. This is what it would look like, right? You can make sure you want to pick on game ready driver and not studio driver. You want to make sure it's game ready driver. On the game ready driver, make sure you can see there's a new one here that I haven't downloaded. So just have to download it. And then you can see it'll download and then it'll install once it's finished. That's it. You're done.